Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. Target SBI is just my YouTube channel name, but we are targeting all the bank exams. We are going to see a reasoning puzzle for uncertain number of people sitting in a linear row facing north. Let's start the question. P sits fourth to the left of F. F who sits at one of the extreme end. So F sits at one of the extreme end, P sits fourth to the left of P. So this is how we write it. Next, only two persons sit between P and M. So the place for M must be either here or another possibility we can write is this one. We got two possibilities from here. Next, J sits fifth to the left of M. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is J. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is J. Okay. Next, only only 6 persons sit between J and A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and A. This is one possible, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and A is also possible for this one also. So totally we get 3 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next, A who sits immediate left of N. So in this case there is no place for N in this one, so this case fails. A sits immediate left of N. A sits immediate left of N. Okay. C sits third to the left of N. 1, 2, third one is C. 1, 2, third one is C. Okay. B sits fifth to the right of C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is B. Okay. Next, the number of persons sitting between B and J is one more than the number of persons sitting between K and B. B and J, K and B. B and J. Here, 1, 2, 3. One more than K and B means K and B has only 2 in between them. 1 and 2. K place is here. Here, 1, 2, 3. 3 means B and K has only 2 people. Okay, we got this one. Next one, no one sits to the left of C. So C is the left hand person. At least 19% sits in a row. Let's calculate the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is 16. So this case fails. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we get 22 members sitting in a row. Let's see the solutions for the questions. First question, what is the position of B with respect to M? B with respect to M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ninth to the left of M. Ninth to the left of means option C is the right one. First one answer is option C. Second question, how many persons sitting in a row? We got 22 persons sitting in a row. Option D. Next one, number of persons sitting between C and K. This is C and this is K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. 7 people sitting between C and K is dash. Then the number of persons sitting between K and P. K is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people. So 1 less. Our answer will be 1 less. Option B. 1 less than the person sitting between K and P. Let's see fourth question. How many persons are between C and J? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 persons are sitting between C and J. So option E, 8 persons is our answer. So our answers are C, D, B and E. Now we are going to see simplifications. First question, 12 square, which is 144, plus 15 into 25 means 15 5 times is 75, 15 2 times 30, 37, 375, minus 612 plus 60% of 21, 21 into 6 means 6, 6 2 times is 12, 126. These are in sum, this is negative. First unit digit 2, subtracting 2, we left with only 2, subtracting 1, so we left with 1. We need to subtract 600 then. Okay, here it is 7 plus 6, 13, 9 plus 4, 13. Now this becomes 600 and 600 is eliminated, so we left with 33. So our answer will be option A, 33. Next one, second question, 12.5% of 552. 12.5% means 1 by 8 into 552, which will be 6 times and 9 times, minus 33.33% means 1 by 3. It is 66.66 means 2 by 3%. 2 by 3 into 18. 3 6 times. Totally we have 12. 69 minus 12 plus 75% means 3/4 of 48. 48 means 12. So plus 36. Plus 36. Plus this will be 12. For equals to question mark. So this 12 and this 12 cancels. Now we left with 69 plus 36, which will be 105. So our answer will be 105, option B. Next, third question, 24% of 512. Here also percentage. So percentage cancels on the numerator and denominator. 16 into 48 equals to x into 25 divided by 62 into 12. Now 24 2 times 16, 3 times 48 and 2 times 32 times 2, 16 times. So we left with x equals to 16 into 62 into 12 divided by 25 comes below. Now instead of 25 we write 100 divided by 4 means 4 by 100 like this instead of 25. Now we have 12 4 times 48, x equals to 16 into 62 into 48 by 100. This seems like 52, 55 plus 7 and 55 minus 7. This is nothing but these two. So a square minus b square like this one. So we do 55 square. 55 square is 30 25 minus 7 square minus 49 will be 29, and this will be 6. 1 means 7. 2976. So the value of this one is 2976. So we have x equals to 2976 into 16 divided by 100. 16 6 times 96. 16 7 times 7 6 times 1 112. 112 plus 9 121. 121. Okay, 16 9 times 144. So 6 here and 15 left. 16 2 times 32, which will be 47. 47 616 divided by 100, which means 476.16 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Next one, 41% of 24 means 24 into 41, 1 times 24, 4 times 96, 4, 1, this will be 96 means 8, this is 9, 984 minus 26% of 650, single zero, 5 multiple, 2 multiple and a percentage. So 2 13 times and 5 13 times. We get minus 169 minus 35 into 17. 17 5 times is 85. 17 3 times 51, 59, 595 plus 14 16 times 224 equals to question mark. So we have 984 plus 224. We totally get 801108. This is 14 16 7 minus. So 8 minus 4, 4, 10 minus 6, 4, 10, 11 minus 7, which will be 4. It is 12, not 1, 1208. This is 4. So our answer will be 4444. Option D is our answer. Next one, 92% of 25, which is nothing but 25% of 92. 1 by 4 into 92, 4 2 times and 4 3 times, plus this is 30 plus 1 and 30 minus 1. So a square minus b square formula, 90 30 square, which is 900 minus 1 square minus 1. So we get 899, 23 plus 899 minus 19 into 24, 24 into 19, 19 4 times is 76, 92 times 38 means 45, 456 equals to question mark. So adding these two and subtracting this one, 6, subtracting 6 from 9, we get 3. Okay, this is cancelled. 5, so subtracting 5 from 9, we left with 4. Okay, this is also cancelled. Now we need to subtract 4, so this is 4. So this is cancelled. Now we left with 443 plus 23, which will be 664. Answer will be 466. Option A. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First question, 3 4 times is 12, 6 2 times we get 4, and the roots are in positive and negative. Second one, 10 3 times is 30, 30 means 6 5 times and the roots are in positive. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 10, this is with 3, we get plus 60 minus 20, this will be 5 3 times 15, wait 6 3 times 18, 5 3 times 15. By comparing these two, it is clear that these two numbers comes between these two numbers. So x is greater than y and x lesser than y. No relation established in between these two. Second question, x square minus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. 3 times, so the roots are in positive. Here 20 means 5 4 times, plus 5 plus 4. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Next, third one, 105, which is 15 7 times and the roots are in positive. Here it is 3 2 times 6 and we need to get 1. Okay, so it is 3 2 times. This will be positive and negative. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 3. So it is clearly visible that x is greater than y. Next one, 2x cube equals to root over 256. 256 root over 256, which is nothing but 16 divided by 2 8 times. So x will be 2 and here it is 20, means 5 4 times divided by 2 which will be 2.5 and 2. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next, fifth one, 4 3 times, wait a second, here these are plus and plus, means the roots are in negative. In this case minus and plus, the roots becomes positive and positive. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is less than y for fifth one. Now we are going to see inequalities. For inequalities, we will go through the questions directly. First conclusion, the flow from n to j. Here it is n. From n there is flow up to j, so it is true. A to d, the flow from A to D with everywhere equal to also. Where is A? Here it is A. From A we can go to L. From L we can go to A to D, means, so here it is going to A to D. Okay, but there is a missing of equal to here, so this case fails. Next one, second one, H to S, the flow from H to S. H, from H we can go to I only, nothing more than I, so this case fails. O to P, from O we can go to H and I, or else from O we can go to P, not possible, there is opposite direction symbol here, so this case also fails. Next question, flow from F to L with everywhere equal to also. F to L, here F, from F we can go to K, K to L also possible, and here is equal to, here is also equal to, so this case is true. O to D, here it is O, from O we can go to K, and K we can go to D, so this is also true. Both 1 and 2 is true here. Fourth question, U to V with everywhere equal to also. From U we can go to Z, from Z we can go to Y, X, W, from W we cannot move to V, so this case fails. U to V, from U we can reach to W but not from W to V, so this is also false. But combining all the three, U has greater, equal to, and again greater symbol, so this is neither nor. Next one, Y to W, from Y we can reach to Z, from Z we can reach to W, as it is true. Z to L, from Z we can reach to X, from X we cannot able to go to L, so this case fails. Now we are going to see syllogisms. First question, only a few mango is apple. All apple is grapes. All mango is kiwi. Now we see conclusions. No mango is grape. Mango here, grape here. It is sharing some part. So first conclusion is false. Some grape is kiwi. Here grape sharing with kiwi. Yes, it is true. So second conclusion is true. Second question. Only a few men is den. All den is hen. All hen is 10. Now let's see conclusion 1. All den is 10. All den is inside 10, as it is true. Second one, some hen can be men. Some hen can be men. It is already sharing and it is saying about maybe. So this case fails. Only one is true here, because it is already sharing and it is saying that can it be possible to share, he asked. If then this conclusion will be false. Next, third one, only a few cricket is badminton. Some badminton is coco. All coco is tennis. Conclusions. First conclusion, some tennis is cricket. Tennis and cricket, this is direct conclusion. There is no relation in our Venn diagram between cricket and tennis. So this conclusion is false. Second one, no cricket is tennis. Cricket and tennis, we can able to share some part with these two. So this case fails. Individually, these two cases fails. But here, this is some positive case and this is no negative case. And we have tennis and tennis, cricket and cricket. So this is either or case. Either one or two is our option for this question. Next one. Only a few sky is star. Star. No star is moon. Some moon is sun. Let's see conclusions. First conclusion. All sky can be moon. All sky inside moon. No, it is not possible because some part of stars is coming inside moon. But star and moon cannot be sharing some part. So the first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. No star is sun. This is star and this is sun. We can able to make a possible diagram to share some part of star with sun. So this case fails. Next one, fifth question. Only a few bird is animal. Some bird is a tree. No tree is a river. Let's see conclusions. First conclusion. All animals can be tree. All animals inside a tree is possible. Yes, it is possible. Next, some birds is not river. All birds can be river possible. All birds inside river, is it possible? No. So all case fails here. So some not case is true here. Both 1 and 2 is true here. Now we are going to see wrong number series. First question. 13 2 times is 26 plus 1, which will be 27. 27 into 2 times, which will be 54 plus 1. 55 into 2 times, 110, 110 plus 1, triple 1, okay. Into 2 times means triple 2 plus 1, triple double 2 3, okay. So 223 into 2 times will be 446 plus 1, 447. It must be 447, not 446. So our first one wrong number is 1 440 446 is our wrong number. Second question. Here the difference between these two is 118 and 143, means the difference is 25. 143 and 180, the difference is 37. 180 and 228, the difference is 48. 228 and 292, the difference is 64. Okay, the difference between 292 and 373 is 81. So these numbers are clear that 9 square, 8 square, 5 square, so it must be 6 square and it must be 7 square. So these two numbers are wrong. 118, 143, next one is 180 and 228. So these two numbers are wrong, means this is our wrong number. 180 is our wrong number. Okay, next, third question. 66, 18, 90, 630. It is clear that 6 3 times, 18 5 times, 9 7 times, 63 9 times, 9 3 times 7, 9 27, 9 6 times, 54 plus 2 56. Okay, this is also true. This is 11 times, 5670 into 11 times means 5670, 0 7 13 12 62370. not 62360. So our wrong number is 62360. Next, fourth one, 8, 17, 35, 71, 143, 286. It is clear that 8 into 2 times is 16 plus 1. 17 into 2 times is 34 plus 1. Into 2 plus 1. Into 2 plus 1. Into 2 plus 1. So 286 plus 1, which will be 287, not 286. So our wrong number is 286. Fifth one, 414 and 630. The difference between these two numbers is 216. 630 and 755. The difference between these two numbers is 125. 755 and 819. The difference between these two numbers is 64. 819 and 846. The difference between these two is 27. Here the difference is 9. So it is clear that this is 6 cube, 5 cube, 4 cube, 3 cube. So this must be 2 cube, which is 8, not 9. So our wrong number will be 855. Last one. Okay, now we are going to see missing number series. Missing number series, first question. 77, 154, 157, 628. These numbers are slightly varying. 77 2 times is 154. So into 2 times. This is plus 3. Okay, plus 3. 7 becomes 8. Means it is into 4 times. So next we are going to do plus 5. 628 plus 5 means 633. Next one must be into 6 times. 6 3 times will becomes 8 at the end, and here it is also 8. So our answer will be 633, option C. Next question, 1012, 1208. These numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences here. Here the difference between these two numbers is 196. The difference between these two numbers is 225. So it is clear that it is 14 square, it is 15 square. Next one, dash and dash. Here the difference is 4, 2, 3, 324. So this is 18 square. So it must be 16 square and 17 square. 16 square means 256. 256 added to the 1433. 1433 plus 256, which will be 9861. 1689 is our answer, option A. Next, third one, 79 dash dash. Here the difference between 166 and 253 will be 7 and 8. The difference between 369 and 253 will be 6, 1 and 1. 514 minus 369, which will be 5, 4, 1. So we'll go for further differences. Here the difference is 29. Here the difference is 29. So there must be the 29 difference in between these two also. So adding 29 we get 87, means 58. 58 plus 29 will be 87. So here must be 29 plus 29 will be 58. So first one number is 79. 79 plus 29, which will be 79 plus 29, 18, 108. 108 plus 58 will be 166. So we got this one. So our answer will be 108. Option D is our answer. Next, fourth one. Fourth one is dash 746 and 772. We'll go with the differences here. Here the difference is 26. Here the difference is 1 and 17. Here the difference between these two numbers is 10. Here the difference between these two numbers is 5. Again further differences is 5, 7. Next one is 9. So this is odd numbers, so it must be the difference of 11. So 37 is here. Here the numbers are increasing in order. So 746 minus 37 will be 9 and 1 0 and 6. 709. 709 is our answer. 709 plus 37 will be 746. So our answer will be 709, option B. Now we are going to see the last question, fifth one. 9, 5.5, 7.5, 1984 and dash. It is into half times 4.5. 4.5 plus 1, which will be 5.5. 5.5. So this is into 1 time will be 1.5 plus 2. This must be into 2 times will be 15 plus 4. So 1 becomes half becomes 1, 1 becomes 2, and here 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4. So the next one must be into 4. 4 times is 76. 76 plus 8 will be 84. So the next one must be into 8 plus 16. 84 into 8. 8 4 times is 32. 8 8 times 64. 672 plus 16, which will be 688 is our answer. Option A. Thanks for watching.